Hi guys, I am so sorry. I have been so busy. I totally forgot about this vlog. And let's just say it's been a year. So today we're gonna be doing arts and crafts. Just to let you know, if you haven't watched my two other videos, go check it out. So yeah. Today, arts and crafts, as usual, you do not need a square paper, but what you need for this project is a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a piece of paper. It does not have to be square. I've already cut mine. Let's do scrap paper because I don't like this. So, simply cut out a shape of a bookmark, or just a rectangle. And fold it any way you want. But if you want a lot of detail in it, you can make it super small. But if you want it just like big, if you want it just like a lot to like color on, then you can do it really big. For this one, I'm going to be making small detail. I like detail. Okay? So, if you want, you can sketch the shapes out, well, just any shapes at all. I'm going to sketch them out here. I'll show you once I'm done. So like this, basically. But you see this part here, the part that kind of like holds everything together, don't chop it off. Like pretend my fingers are scissors and like just don't chop that part off, okay? So then you can start cutting the lines if you trace them. So if you trace them exactly how I did, when you're done, you should end up with something like this. Once you're done cutting them out, unfold them. Mine was a failure, but it was close. It kind of got a little offhand, and if it fails, you'll have something really messy and just have like a whole bunch of things everywhere. So if you fail, it's okay, no biggie, but now you know what not to do. So we're gonna try it again. This time we try folding it differently, or try doing a different pattern. But this time I'm not going to sketch. Oh, and I failed on purpose to show you, so you don't think I'm making. So this time I'm still making it small, but I'm not going to be sketching for those of you that don't want to sketch. I'm going to be if you want like circles, make a tent shape like that, okay? So if you do circles, you'll probably end up with something like this. Like it? Well, be sure to smash that subscribe button and like this video. I'll see you next week.